In this video, I will show you how to convert your Base44 web app into an Android app and publish it to the Google Play Store. Base44 apps are progressive web apps, and while Apple requires fully native apps, Google does allow you to publish a PWA-based app to the Play Store when it is packaged properly. To do that, we will use a third-party tool. In this example, I am using AppMySite. First, go to AppMySite and click Create App. Enter your app name and choose Web to App. Next, go to your Base44 dashboard and make sure your app is already published. Click Publish, copy your live URL, then go back to AppMySite and paste it in. Click Create App. Now select your design preferences. I'll choose a blue theme for this example. Then click Continue. On the left side, click Preview. You will see how your app looks on an Android device. The preview will load your Base44 website inside the app, and you can even test navigation and login if you want. Once your app looks good, click Publish in the left menu. From here, choose Google Play Store. AppMySite will walk you through the steps and generate the Android build file you need. In the Google Play console, create a developer account if you don't already have one, and upload your Android app build. Fill in your store listing details like app name, screenshots, category, and content information. Submit the app, and once Google reviews and approves it, your Base44 app will appear in the Google Play Store. That's how you publish your Base44 web app to Google Play. If this tutorial helped you, consider subscribing for more guides.